My name is Rebecca Flood. I am the Senior Vice President for Nursing, and I have worked here at Methodist for 17 years.
My name is Yosef Yakubov. I work in the ICU. I've been with Methodist for the past 7 years.
My name is Chris Bennett. I'm a registered nurse in the emergency department, and I've been here for 3 years.
I am the Chief Nursing Officer. I am responsible for all the patient care that is delivered to the patients in our 600-plus bed institution. I chose New York Methodist because of moving here to the borough of Brooklyn. It is the best institution in the borough. It has a very solid reputation, not only medically, but also in terms of strong nursing and having the environment where you can achieve your personal and professional goals.
I chose New York Methodist Hospital because the staff at New York Methodist is the best. Nursing is a great profession. I at first did not really realize all the opportunities and how great this profession is, but as I started getting more experience, nursing has so much opportunity to go further, and also there is so much to choose from.
I chose Methodist Hospital because it was one of those hospitals that I've looked at in the system as a hospital that has a level of quality to it. On my initial interview, when I realized that the hospital provided care with an emphasis on customer service, I decided that this was definitely the place that I wanted to be. I was very happy because everybody works as a team. It was like a family environment. We work really well together. We're able to know that you can rely on your coworkers to do what is necessary for the greater good of the patient. If you want to work in an environment that's aesthetically pleasing, for one, two, a great level of people to work with, a great family environment, somewhere where you can progress into your dreams as to becoming better at nursing and or in terms of management, then you would definitely want to be at New York Methodist.
I think what Methodist Hospital has is really a sense of family. It's very informal. I think the relationships that nurses develop with each other, with leadership, with colleagues is very, very strong. And that's something that is not always quantifiable, like you can't necessarily sort of count it out, but it's something that I think people are very drawn to once they become a part of the nursing team here.
Well, I've been a nurse for the last 25 years, and I've always worked in neonatal ICU. And the reason why I've always worked there is because it is so rewarding. There's a lot of times, especially in a neonatal intensive care unit, where you need people, nurses to come together and, work together, and I find that across the board. I chose New York Methodist Hospital not only because I had heard of the great reputation, but because I did hear that they provided great quality care to their patients. And that's the whole reason why I went into nursing, is that because I wanted to take care of people. I knew from a very young age that I wanted to take care of sick people. From the moment I came here, I felt a welcoming, by administration and even into my unit. I would tell anyone who's thinking about going into nursing that is one of the best professions you can ever have.
What I do here basically is take care of my patients, full-heartedly, mind, body, and soul. Anything that they need, that's what we're here for. And working with the doctors to make sure that the plan of care is exactly what the patient needs in order to go home and be happy again. I chose working at Methodist Hospital because I have an aunt that works in labor and delivery at another hospital. She's been a nurse for 30 years, and she just heard beautiful things about this hospital. And walking in, I knew that this was where I wanted to be. The preceptor program here at Methodist Hospital is one it's actually very simple. It's just a senior nurse that helps you feel comfortable with your skills. You walk onto the floor and they greet you and you just start going. And as long as they have all faith in you, you start to have faith in yourself. And they just make you feel at home and they make you feel very comfortable.